What up, YouTube? It's Fortneck here. I'm doing the 5 dips I keep in my truck video today. And why I keep 5 cans in my truck? Most of them are wintergreen and mint. The 5 cans I keep in my truck for certain reasons. 1, I enjoy dipping on them. 2, the premium mints, dark mint, or for if I have, a friend coming over or something. A friend in my truck with me, so it doesn't smell bad. The wintergreen is if I'm just by myself. That's why. Those reasons. So the first can I'm going to talk about is my all-time favorite, Grizzly Dark Wintergreen. Here's the reason. It's mild, but also has that mint. Actually, I'll just go ahead and talk about all the Grizzlies that I have first. I have a can of Grizzly Wintergreen. Like I said, if I'm alone or I'm traveling, this is my go-to dip. Then, if I have a friend in and I want to, dip on something a little more expensive, I'll go with Copenhagen Wintergreen. That's the only Copenhagen I keep in my truck. That's 3. Count them 3. The next 2 are Longhorns. Longhorn Mint and Longhorn Wintergreen. These 2 are my go-to dips if I'm at work or in the parking lot at work. Let's see if I can hold them all up here. I got 5 fingers, so I should be able to hold all 5. That's 4. That's all 5. Well, there we go. All 5 of my cans of dips that I have in my truck at all times. On days I cannot afford, one or the other, I always have 2 cans of Longhorn Wintergreen and Longhorn Mint in my truck. But this week I'll have 2 cans of Grizzly Dark Mint in my truck this week because I plan on traveling a little here and there for the 4th. All the people that view this video from work and not, I do appreciate y'all. Like I always say at the end of my videos, today I'm going to try a little bit different with the beginning of this video, or for the thumbnail, where it will have my social, a little bit more of a thumbnail, because one of my friends from work, she also has a channel, Lashell TV. Shout outs to her, and I'll leave her place in the description of this video. Go check her out. She's a vlogger, a really good vlogger. She can edit video dang on the money. And all she does is use her phone. That's how I created my thumbnail for this video, and I hope they all enjoy this video. Those are my 5 dips I try to keep in my truck on a daily basis. Sometimes I even have all of them, more than always. I'll have one of double or, a single can of one of these. If y'all like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe, because I'm going to be posting another one of an unboxing of something that one of my friends sent me later on today. Today is Saturday, June 29th. One of my friends sent me. And so I'm going to hopefully get that by this afternoon. It's 9:59 a.m. where I live. So stay tuned. I may have that video up sooner than later. Sorry. So keep tuned. I'll have her channel in the description. Go check her out. She's a wonderful person, and just watch one of her videos. She has 3 up right now. I'm still waiting for that ghost pepper chips video. Lashell. I want to see that video. So as soon as you can get that one out, please do. I'll see you on my next video. This is Ford Nick 2156. Out. Keep on smiling.